Good morning from All Star Music Resort.
Yep.
Hang on a minute, we got a leaf blower in action. Morning. We're headed to Epcot. We're gonna have a great Epcot morning with no lightning lanes. We're gonna rope drop Soarin' and then just see what we can do. Joanna is in the stroller.
Ready to go.
It is approximately 8 a.m. We should be there. Perfect timing. Here we go. We made it to Epcot about 8:15. Hardly anybody on the bus. Let's get on in here. We're coming in hot, headed towards Soarin'. We've arrived at the Land Pavilion. We're heading to this butte right here.
Yeah, we're gonna ride Nemo.
Let's go greet Nemo. We got off Spaceship Earth, went through Journey of Water. Probably do Nemo, Living with the Land, Figment. Alright, we got off with Nemo and friends. I think we're gonna run to see Figment and ride his ride. Then we got a Garden Grill lunch reservation, and we also want to hit Living with the Land, so see how long the lines are backing up. It's starting to get crowded.
Always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Really stick.
A good dog, the nose knows!
Alrighty, we just went through the Figment ride. Figment wasn't out. They said it'd be about 20 minutes, so we may try to catch him in a little while. We're gonna go to see about Living with the Land, because we truly would like to be living with the land. And then we're gonna eat at the Garden Grill for our first time at the Garden Grill. And there goes the Peach Monorail.
Yeah, we're going to the stroller and I'll give you
Oh, he made a hidden Mickey. We're at Garden Grill. We're slowly rotating right above the house scene and the dog scene, Living with the Land. And they're bringing out the food in a minute.
It's not like that jiffy junky stuff.
We got cornbread, fruit, salad. Yep. Hey.
Say cheese. Look at that.
Got it.
Oh yeah. So we're going there in a little bit.
Coming out good.
So good.
You made it?
Oh,
We knew it was you. We knew Mickey didn't have anything to do with it.
Oh my goodness. This is a oh.
Did you tell Pluto that he's your favorite?
So you're his. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my goodness.
We got steaks and turkeys and macaronis, mashed potatoes. We're about to explode.
That was really good.
Can't hardly walk, we ate so much. We'll see what we can get into now. This one got really busy, so we may head down and check out some countries. We'll see.
Cheap, I might get one of those.
Let's see what's new in the creation shop.
Oh yeah, me too.
Orange bird.
I'm on sale for $40.
That ain't bad. God, normally 90.
Yeah.
Feeling happy. Orange bird ears. There's Spike the bee. We're just on a little shopping walk around. We looked at the creation shop, almost bought a shirt, but they only had one and it had like a stain on it, and she said that's all they had. Dawn looked at a bag. Now we're going to, I bought this Figment Magic Band Plus this morning. So we're gonna see if they have a Beauty and the Beast one up here. The guy in Creations told us to come up here. They had a good selection, so we'll see.
Check in France.
There's nothing here. I have like $40.
Passport. What's down there, you think? Oh yeah.
Let's get Leo stuff down.
Let's see what all they got. What is that?
It's the inside out one.
Oh, that's cool.
That's so cute.
I found a Chip and Dale.
They've got the 30th Pocahontas. So,
mosey back toward probably Mexico.
Mexico.
Okay. This is neat. They got the shirts with the different countries, and Mickey's dressed for the country. Morocco, Canada, Germany, France. This is Norway. The House of Good Fortune. Year of the... That's neat. Assorted fans. Oh. Oh, they got money. Look, there's money in its lap. Look at that dragon. This is neat. I have never even heard about this. China Circle Vision. I'm sure I can't film it, but this is a neat place. Stuff from the Shanghai Resort. I didn't even know this existed. Duffy. Gardens of Imaginations. She's opening her droid mystery pins. What you got there?
Got K2SO.
Let's
I'll
see.
show it to Daddy.
Here it is. I've never seen this droid before.
Me either. That was pretty cool.
What else you got?
Let me stretch it out a little bit. Okay. You gonna pull it out?
I got 3 CPO.
Oh, really? Let's
Show it to
see.
Daddy.
3 CPO and 3
That's pretty cool.
7 dwarves. My boy Doc is up front there. Belle and the Beast. Time for some ice cream from France.
I said, okay, yeah, that's what we're in line for.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
And hot. This is way better than I expected. The bread is really hot.
Is it good?
What do you get?
Mango sherbet.
Hello, me. Captain
Captain Hook.
Hook is over there. Ariel. Alright, we're back here at the back.
Yep.
Let me go. Joanna just found a hidden Mickey. We're gonna head out we're trying to find Dawn of Beauty and the Beast Magic Band, and then we're gonna head out to look at the Easter eggs at Yacht and Beach Club.
Friends, if you're here to meet Daisy, the line starts over here.
No, we're just trying to get moving.
Thank you. Daisy was over here beside the store. We'll check this out real quick. That good old Skyliner. We're gonna walk over to Yacht and Beach and look at their Easter eggs real quick.